SERV Stock Analysis News. This is Wednesday's performance. Where is it heading next? So looking at Serve Robotics, I'm definitely still biased towards the bullish side, mainly because I'm just trying to double down on the remaining of however long we are going to see this thing go. And now we're seeing the first daily candle, a bigger pullback. But this is still not, I mean, it's not over for me yet, because I want to see the price give me a double break lower, and if it does, holy, I'm taking it up, you know. But yeah, it first needs to give me this double break that I'm waiting for originally. So it's gonna be some like double breaks above here. But nonetheless, I'm gonna keep you updated. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. And by the way, going back into here, let's not forget this is all demo and simulated environment. Do your own due diligence. Don't listen to me, please. See you in the next one.